doing anything? Oh, it is. Hi girls, this is your video for 5F expanding brackets. Expanding brackets is multiplying. So I'm going to do that. It's multiplication, and it eliminates, what does that mean? Takes away? It takes away or removes the brackets from an expression. It's using something called the distributive property. It's that because whatever's inside the brackets gets everything from outside. So pretend I'm outside the brackets and you are inside the brackets, and if I distributed papers to you, I'd give one to every one of you. Right? I wouldn't give it to half of you or the first one, or give it to everybody. Right? So that's what's going to happen here. So here we go. Here's our example. 2 is outside the brackets, and there's an expression inside the brackets, x plus 3. See it? So I do 2 times the x. What's that? 2x. And I do 2 times the 3. So both things in the brackets get times. What's 2 times 3? 6. And this sign just sits there. That's it. That's all she wrote. Okay, so let's do some examples here. There's 2. I want you to give this one a go. I'm going to pause. All right, so 2 times a is 2a, and 2 times k is 2k, and there's a plus sign in between, that plus sign. Did you write that? How easy could this be? What about that one? What's 3 times 2m? 6m. And 3 times 5? 15, and I put the plus sign there. You okay? All right, I want to do 2 more examples. Let's do C. C is going to be harder. It's going to be x times 5x plus 7. And D is going to be really hard. It's going to be negative 2 times x minus 5. Okay, so 2 harder ones. The first one is going to require that you know what x times x is. Okay, and I think in multiplying, back here, in multiplying, we talked about that 2 letters multiplied together gives you that. Did we talk about what 3w times 4w is written as here? Did you have that in your notes? Maybe that'll give you a hint. Okay. So here we go. X times 5x. There's 2 x's being multiplied together. How do you show that?
We make it x2, and then we have 5x2.
Beautiful. Let's say squared. Okay? I've just heard 3 people say 5x2. So 5x to the second power or 5x squared is more appropriate. Okay? What's the next term? The plus sign goes, and then what is it? 7x. Can you imagine that people would find this hard? I don't understand. They forget to do the second one. Just don't forget. Right? The brackets are going to alarm you to say it. Okay, now you're going to have to use your negative things. Negative 2 times x. Yeah, negative 2x. Now, negative times a negative. What is it when you multiply and the signs are the same, Addison? Okay? Negative times a negative gave me that. Negative times a negative gave me that positive. A negative 2 times a negative 5. Now, this is what somebody this morning said when I was helping some year 8s. They said, yeah, but I thought that was a minus sign. Are minus and negative the same thing? Yeah, they are. They're exactly the same thing. That sign, that negative, that 5 belongs, that negative sign, the minus, belongs to the 5, and it makes it negative. So it's negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. You all right? Okay. Here you go. We got to get through these at least. And I have a feeling we'll probably be doing some stars today anyway. Good work.